Want to control what others see when you call? Rogers makes it easy to change your caller ID name directly through the MyRogers app or website. First, log into your MyRogers account. Then, navigate to the My Account section, typically found under Manage Services and then Phone Settings. From there, you should see an option to edit your caller ID name. Keep in mind, the name is usually limited to 15 characters. After submitting your change, it will be reviewed and a one-time fee may apply. Note that some plans might require you to visit a store, especially if you're a prepaid user. Understanding how caller ID works is key. When you make a call, your phone transmits data that Rogers uses to display your number and name to the recipient. Your caller ID name is customizable, but Rogers requires verification to prevent fraud, so have your government-issued ID ready. While changing your caller ID name is relatively straightforward, remember that the changes aren't instantaneous and can take up to 48 hours to propagate through the system. Also, remember that while Rogers allows you to block your caller ID for privacy, unblocking it requires toggling the setting within the app.